Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to create new Gmail account on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first here, of course you just have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. And after here, open your Gmail applications. Here I'm going to open it. And here I already have an account here guys, but here for create a new Google account, just tap on this add another account first, and now we're going to this Google options. In this page you just have to tap on this create account. Now in this pop-up you just have to pick and select that the account that you want to make is for your personal, or you can make it as a work or your business here guys. Here I'm gonna make it as my personal. And after, in this column, you just have to enter your first name and for your surname. And for your surname is optional, you guys. You can fill it or not. Here, I'm gonna enter my first name. And then, I'm gonna skip for the surname. Tap on the next button. And just fill for your birthday and your gender. And after my gender, I preferred use that rather not say. And now, tap on the next button again at the bottom. And as you can see, this is the recommendation Gmail address from Google, I guess. If you don't want to use these recommendations, you just have to tap on this create your own Gmail address, tap on it, and now you just have to make your Gmail address. But here I prefer to use this recommendation, which is the second recommendations. And now tap on the next button. And after, just make your password for your Gmail, guys. Now tap on the next button here. At this page, you can add your phone number. You just have to scroll it down, but here I'm gonna skip it. I'm gonna setting later. Tap on the skip. And after this is my Gmail account, tap on the next again. And then in this privacy and terms, you just have to read it and understand it. And after, if you have read it, already understand it, tap on this I agree. And yeah, now I'm gonna check. This is my new Gmail that I have made before you guys. So yeah, I think it's enough. The tutorial from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below. And I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.